Good morning and thank you for joining us. Our morning outlook will focus on the Bitcoin USD recent developments and its potential impact on the markets. Let's hear from Greg in our trading room.
Bitcoin has fallen 1% in the last session. The ATR shifted into the high volatility zone. The euro-dollar pair has fallen 0.1% in the last session. The ADX is picking up speed and is currently neutral. The sterling-dollar pair has lost 0.3% in the last 3 sessions. The ROC has shifted sharply into positive territory. The Aussie-dollar pair has fallen 0.3% in the last session. The ultimate oscillator moved sharply into negative territory.
Thank you. Moving on to the latest updates in the world financial news.
Apple is threatening to remove apps from its widely used App Store if they don't comply with an upcoming private feature allowing users to block advertisers from tracking them across different applications. Prime Minister Boris Johnson said that Britain could call an end to post-Brexit trade talks without a deal being reached, a day after he agreed to meet the European Commission head. Standard Chartered has gathered a group of crypto exchanges for a new digital asset trading platform tailored to the institutional market.
Thank you for this. Coming up, today's major economic events.
The Japanese machine tool orders will be released at 600 GMT, the German trade balance at 700 GMT, the U.S. JOLTS job openings at 1500 GMT, the Canadian BOC interest rate decision at 1500 GMT, the U.S. crude oil inventories at 1530 GMT, and the Japanese PPI at 2350 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed today's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join our next review for the latest news and events from the financial markets.